What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of Budget Tech. Today we're going to be looking at a pair of headphones. So just before we get into that, just a little disclaimer, we look at budget tech on this channel here. So we're going to look at the stuff that is affordable, and we're going to assess how reasonable it is as compared to all the big names like, the Beats and the iPhones and all of this. So today I was shopping around in a store called TK Maxx and I found this. This is the Fresh and Rebel Eurogem headset, and it actually is a gift set, as you can see right here. And inside it has the headphones, it has a rock box cube, and it has a power bank here which has 3000 milliamp hours. So let's see what it says is in the box. Really nice packaging, as you can see. But what it says in the box is caps headphones, so it's got a mic and remote on hand, cable integrated remote and microphone. As you can see, there's instructions here. Rock box cube, which is actually a portable wireless speaker with 8 hours of playtime. So we're going to be testing that, and also a power bank with 3000 milliamp hours for all you iPhone people who always need more battery life. So that's what it's in there, and we're going to unbox this and give it a test. Okay, so opening this, you can actually smell the freshness of it. Alright, so there's your rock box cube, which has got sort of fabric mesh around the speaker, which actually feels quite nice. And then with that material there, I don't know what it's called, but it feels really nice. And there's grip at the bottom. There's that. $3,000 milliamp hour power bank. And the headsets. So we're gonna have to go deeper for this one. Always got to be happy when there's some silica gel. Okay, and here's a sheet of paper which tells you that the manual is online. So go online to find out how to use your product. But obviously this is headphones, we know how to use it. And what's in here? Alright, so after that interesting unboxing experience, in the box we have the headset themselves, which you can see are quite small actually, but they do feel nice, and they've got this little band here. You've got this little bit of real estate here for your head size, and that comes with a cable which is detachable on both sides. You've got your microphone and controller button there. You've got this telephone style wire here which can stretch, which is always nice. You've got your power bank, as I showed you before. We're going to check if that has some juice, and we're going to test that. And we got the power bank here. And little extras, we've got the auxiliary cable, which you can use to connect into the speaker here. You've got your charger cable, one for your speaker and the other for your power bank. So we're going to test out. See, I want to test out this first and see how this goes. So we're going to check if this has some juice. Any juice. Oh yeah, we got juice. Alright, so got my Google Pixel 2 here, and we're going to connect up to it. So can we find it? Yep, there you go. And that's connected. There you go, 70% battery. Nice one. Okay, so we're gonna play some tracks and see how it feels.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's Friday night and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I come on, bounce, bounce, come on, bounce.
Sound always in control, you know what I'm saying?
Come on,
I slam the door when I come into the bedroom, cause I'm the king of the castle.
Listen to the drop.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the OV. I used to move snowflakes by the OZ. I guess even back then you can call me CEO of the ROC. Ho.
Alright, so that's that little speaker, and to be fair, for what it is and the size it is, this is actually a really good speaker. It wasn't hard to connect. I'm actually quite proud of this so far, so it's looking good so far for this. I like this, you know, for the size that it is. What is this, like, you know, 4.5 by 4.5 by 4.5 centimeters? That is really good, really bassy for what it is, and it's actually quite clear. So far I'm happy. So we're gonna get into the power bank right now, and let's see what level of charge it says on the phone here. Okay, so we're gonna check if it's got some juice first. Okay, unfortunately there's no juice, so we're gonna have to charge that up a little bit. Okay, so the power bank has had a little bit of charge, so let's see how much juice I've been able to get in the past 20 minutes. Should be 1. Oh, it says 2. There you go, you can see those 2 dots there. And let's see if my Google Pixel 2 responds to it. So I'm going to plug in the USB to USB Type-C connector into the USB port. And let's see how well this works. I'm going to turn this on now. And let's see. Okay, so it does say it's charging. You can see it is charging, but it's not rapid charging. So all these companies that make these power banks, let's see if you can make a fast charging power bank. That's your next mission. Okay, so here's the main event, the headset itself. Yeah, so it does indicate left and right, which is nice. The feel of them is really nice, actually. Not so much this top band here, but I'm talking about the back of the drivers. The earmuffs are actually quite soft as well, and they're quite firm, so they actually feel quite good. It does feel like if you stretch it a bit too much, it might break though, but for what it is so far, it is great. Let's see if it lives up to the reputation that the speaker has. So I'm going to connect this up. And obviously, because the Google Pixel 2 does not have the 3.5mm headphone jack, I've got my trusty adapter here. So it goes in there, and let's see.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the OV. I used to move snowflakes by the OC. I guess even back then you can call me CEO of the ROC. Ho. Come on, bounce, bounce. Come on, bounce. Sound is in control. You know what I'm saying? Bounce. Come on, bounce. I slam the door when I come into the
Alright, so my test of these Fresh and Rebel headphones is they don't really feel secure on your head, but the bass in them is actually really good for what they are. You know, you can actually feel the bass rumbling through your ears, which is a nice thing, but the rest of the audio is actually very scratchy. You can actually hear the sort of with sort of every lyric that comes through, or everything that is not bass. So it seems like they focus a lot on capturing the bass in these, which is good actually. I'm actually quite happy with that. But I mean, with this package, I lean over to the speaker more. I'm really proud of this thing. The only thing that I didn't like is the grip at the bottom didn't grip, but that is actually a compliment because it means the bass in this is really good. This is actually a really good item. So if there's a way to get this on its own, I'll check that out. That's actually really good. But these, it's a 3 out of 5 for me. These, so yeah, the Fresh and Rebel Eurogem pack, should I say? This is actually the Ruby pack. So as you can see, it's a sort of reddish color. There is also another pack which is actually blue. I'll put a link in the description below. Tell me what you think. If you have these, let me know what you think. Tell me how you've actually been able to use them. Are they your favorite headphones ever? Give me a rating of what you think they are. But yeah, this item costs £40 in TK Maxx. And for £40, I think that's okay. I think it could have been reduced a bit more as per the quality of the headset, because you're obviously buying it for the headset. It is really nice to get a speaker as well, which to me is amazing. It's worth buying for this, I say. But then also for you iPhone people that always need extra battery power because Apple don't care about battery life, it is good to get a power bank as well. So the Fresh and Rebel Eurogem set, what do you think? Comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon.